Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to log into your Viabill account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in viabill.com in it. Once you do that, you will then end up in the official website for Viabill, which looks like this. From the main homepage, click on the login button at the top right hand corner. In the sign in page, if you want to sign in as a shopper or log in for online stores, go ahead and select one of the options and then type in the credentials that follows. Start off by typing in your email address in the first text box and go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the Forgot Password link at the bottom and follow through the password reset process. After filling in both of your credentials, click on Log In, and then you will be able to sign into your Viabill account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.